Hello. Hi. Hello, hello. So, we're just going to be playing Minecraft. I'm gonna work on one of my worlds for now. Um, yeah, so we're gonna go on a little search for my dog. So, I am, in fact, missing my dog. I don't know how, but I am. So, if I see a creeper, uh, I'm gonna probably scream. So I'm also gonna need more experience points. We're gonna fight mobs, hit them with my pickaxe, or hit them with my sharpness one. I'm gonna get a book, hopefully. Um, Instead of just working on, I don't know, I'm gonna get some ender pearls. Yeah, I'm looking at you, sir. There's two mobs attacking me. Oh, I'm gonna have to defend. I can't. There's a creeper by my house. I'm gonna cry. There's no creeper. Okay. So we're gonna work on trying to find my dog. For now. So yeah. Just gonna go down in my mind. Swear to God, if there's an Enderman down here. Okay, no Enderman. Because an Enderman can come down here if it wanted to. I have very lots and lots of lots and lots of iron and coal. This is a cave. I will be going back down there and using my diamond pickaxe to get more obsidian because I'm filling in the floor of an enchantment room with obsidian. So yeah. Uh oh, I actually have a grass block, so I need to put that somewhere. Um Lovely. I need. I don't have any. Um, the fish is for fishies. So if my iron could hurry up, please. I need it. Fine, whatever. I'll just go up fucking stairs. Ooh, I have 20. Ooh, yes, lovely. Okay. Uh, um, um, and I'll cook some fucking potatoes. And then I'll go out and get some more food because we are severely out of food at the moment, which sucks, and I have too many bows. Okay, go put that in there. We'll go put that there. String goes here. I don't know how I organize this, like what way I've organized this, but I've organized this by how I think. I don't know, honestly. If I organize my chest how I organize my things in real life, ooh, you probably wouldn't be able to find anything, but I sure would be able to find everything I needed. Um, that's just how I work. I need to see everything to be organized. I'm gonna completely forget where something is if I can't see it. That's just how I work. Um, I have like one black stone because there's another portal in the ravine and stuff, and I'm not gonna break the nether portal. We need that nether portal. Piggy out there. So you can see my skin when I run. Yeah, I have like lovely armor. Lovely. This is my home. I do have a bed. It's just moved right now because yeah. Um, I don't like swords. I like axes. Ooh, I'm gonna need to make another axe, and or I'm just gonna use my iron. Really depends. So we are going to use this fast. We don't it die. So lovely. Okay, there we go. I'm sick. Ah! I heard something and I didn't like. Hold on, let me just go to my settings. Audio, sound. I'm gonna turn all of this down. Because I don't want to hear it, honestly. 26. I have flint and steel because why not? But so there is a nether portal in a ravine me and my friend found. The ravine we made it to we accidentally made it to look like Pogtopia. Ooh, I might try and get my friend on. So yeah. So I just texted my friend. I'm going to see if she can come on. Probably going to either call her off my phone or like call her off of um the ooh, the laptop I'm on, and maybe did you hear that? Um well, I'm definitely gonna name this Creepy Minecraft Experience. Or no, I'm gonna name this Search for my dog. Lovely. So whoever can make this polar bear skin into like I don't know, freaking rescue skin. I don't know. Listen, this is my skin. Hold on. My lovely skin. I'm literally just a polar bear. But I will be updating. So I have this character in the way, into making it into like a roleplay character, like you know how like Dream is called Dream, but his real name's Clay? Like him out of roleplay is Clay, or like just his real name, Clay. Yeah, that's gonna be like me and my character Skips. So my name's Jeff, but my character's name will be Skips. Oh my god. My god. My friend just sent me a video of her pooping. Help. Send help. Send help. Um, so I have a map. The ravine is that way where my little pointer is pointing. It's that way. It's that way. So like, uh, it's that way basically. It's like that way. Like in the corner. It's that way in the corner. Yeah. And we're gonna explore more and stuff. Uh, yeah, lovely. Um, I'm so sorry if you guys heard that. My bad. Uh, well, cow, 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 cow. Sheep, we're gonna go on a little hunt thing and like uh, just get food. I swear my sound is off, but I can still hear sounds, which is weird, but whatever. Like I can hear them in my head or like just a little bit. I'm not even sure. So we're gonna just chop down every animal we see and currently, just chop. I'm gonna go on a little expedition. Oh my god. Oh my god. A lead. I don't fucking have a lead. You have a lead. You're an ass. I don't have a lead. So there was a dog over here. I saw it and then it just despawned, which bothered me so bad because I really wanted that wolf, but Minecraft said no, you're not getting a replacement for the wolf that you lost. So this is gonna be like getting food and finding missing dog. So it looks real suspicious in that forest, so I will be going there to search for my dog. Like I'm gonna search everywhere on the map until I find my dog basically. Because my dog kind of just like I had it tamed and listen. Um I'm out of food. I know, I know. I shouldn't be eating raw pork chop. Listen, listen. So you'll be seeing things despawn and respawn in front of your very eyes. So listen, one thing I will not kill is horses. I will kill orphans. I will not kill wolves or horses. That's my limit. You literally cannot make me kill them. I will literally die for a horse. I'm also gonna make a farm soon for like people. Like I'm gonna sell food and stuff in this world maybe. This isn't like a server or anything, so yeah. Uh, but once I do get Java, I'll get a server. I'll make myself a server, and then um, what I'll do, and then I'll call it the Skips SMP. I don't know. I'll call it. hmm, I'll call it the the scarce SMP or something. I don't freaking know. SMP. There's so names that I can't take is SMP Earth, Epic SMP, Dream SMP. I don't want to use my name within the SMP because it would seem like I'm copying Dream, which I do not want to do. I just want to make my own SMP for like role playing and stuff because listen, I really like role playing and I want to do that in Minecraft. So, yeah. Yeah, sound is off. I can't even hear myself eating. Um, so yeah, I do have my camera off, because, listen, uh, I will not be turning on my camera for a while. I will once I get my own laptop because the camera quality sucks and I want to get like, and either when like when I get my new laptop and or when I move. So either when I'm 18, no, when I'm 17, or when my family just moves into a different home because this one is messy and it needs to be way bigger. Listen, there's like listen, I think I just critical that freaking oh, the white horse is lovely and both of them are kind of slow. I critical that sheep. I am getting off topic. So here's the enchantment room. Yeah. We don't have any lapis lazuli. Or, well, I don't. Uh, I might try and get some lapis, and then sell it so I get money. Like, I'm gonna sell it for, like, since lapis and emeralds are kinda rare, so the rarest ores is emerald, which is funny because it's not diamonds. Emerald. Um, and listen, since emerald is the rarest, I'm going to make people pay in diamonds or netherite. Netherite scraps. Diamonds or netherite is the payment for emeralds. And for diamonds, it's gonna be like a bunch of iron and shit and iron, which there's a lot in this world. So probably just like some fucking no gold or some shit. Like, oh yeah, remember this area? I phew, lovely. I'm just killing cows, killing cows. Ooh, oh, oops. Ooh, oh, into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Oh, oh, into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Ooh, ooh. I don't freaking know. I'm just singing. I can get blue. Oh, 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 oh. This is just a really large lake. Anyways, I need flint. This is just, a small lake. I need to make a boat. Oh, I fell. I need a boat. This will be kind of my docking area. I don't know what the fuck that. I don't know. I want to make a docks or something. I sound like Wilbur when he wanted to make a railroad. Oh, 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 oh. The pig knows. The pig knows. Oh, I don't know what's up here. See, look, if you look at the map, it doesn't, I wonder if I can find a mansion, because if I can find a mansion, I would so... Mm, guys, but now there is an orphan. Why did I kill that grown cow in one hit, but I can't kill a baby cow in one hit? Oh my god. Oh, this is just the rest of the swamp. Oh, I'll die then. No one me. I guess I'll die then. Uh, where is my home? My home, sweet home. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Not gonna lie, like I might sound like Dris. Oh, sorry, my voice went deep. Might kind of sound like Drista. I don't want to sound feminine though, so like, cause I'm like. Sorry. Ah, look at them. They like march towards me. They do skeletons have IQ? Yo, they have fucking IQ. No. Yo, they have like, oh my fucking god, they're moving. Stop fucking moving. They're absolutely terrifying. I know one's back here, which is scary, but listen. I need another furnace. My cobblestone's downstairs. Do I have any? Whatever. That was a bit terrifying. Anyways, feather. Listen. Do 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 do. I have like 9 blue and 16. There's blue. I don't freaking listen. Hey, listen to me. I don't fucking know where that came from. Anyways, yes, I do have lots of netherrack. It's for when it's for going across lava and shit because um we need to find another temple, but we didn't spawn near one, so we're gonna have to find one, which is scary. So what's 5 plus 8? I don't know. Shouldn't you know? You're like in the 8th grade. No, I don't. I don't know. Fucking know. I'm like talking to myself now. Guys, phone. Oh, so I actually have two TikTok accounts. So first one, skipsplaza. Yep, that's me. Hi, I'm Skips. Nice to meet you. Or Jeff is my real name. Um, you will not know my last name. I don't know. I'm keeping my last name secret until I am older because I am a minor. In fact, I am 14. I'm actually turning 15 this year. I was born 2006. Lovely. I'm actually in 8th grade. I got held back a grade. Lovely. I have a shovel. I have a spoon, and I will gracefully hit you with my pickaxe, Technoblade style. Anyways, uh, okay, I'm classy, into the way to get nasty. It's okay to get. Oh wait, I'm classy, like to do okay to get nasty, just the way that you are. Oh, good. Who added me? Sorry, just explaining to someone something. Oh shoot. Oh god, I'm disturbed. Please now. I don't fucking know, honestly. Invites things or self promote. So I'm promoting myself. Listen, I have a Twitter. I also have obviously an Xbox account. I might go and play on some servers, but who the fuck knows? Not me, not me, not me, not me, not me. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So I have kind of lots of food. I might want to set up a fucking McDonald's. Who the fuck knows? Anyways, um, okay. I don't know how long this video is. So let me just check. It's 27 minutes long. Okay. Listen. I'm going to. I'm planning on streaming maybe tomorrow. What the fuck happened? Okay. I'm planning on streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow after school sometime. So yeah. Make a McDonald's. I don't fucking know. So we're gonna gather a lot of things, and then I don't know. Listen. I'm gonna keep making these noises. If you don't like it, then you can leave. This is just who I am. So shut your mouth. And if you want to hate on me, then frick you. You're jealous. Sorry, I just opened TikTok on accident. I was meant to see my followers and crap. And no, I am not a jealous little brat. And no, I do not think I am popular. I'm not even close. Listen, my followers is 936. I'm not popular, and no, I'm not flexing. I'm not popular. Most people have up to maybe like at least 1K followers. My mother, you scared me. I don't know. Listen, I heard movement and it scared me. There was also skeletons that looked at me. They charged after me when I hid in my house. And then they went to my window and just looked at me and I was just like, what in the world? Hello, that is my mother. That is my mother. Ah, oh. I've been doing this for the past 20 minutes, Mom. Ah, oh. I've been doing that over and over again. Sorry, that might get copyrighted. Whatever. It's not mine. You can't copyright me because I'm not. What? What? Check George's water. You are way too quiet. Okay. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute.
I remember to be so I can just move my jaw in different in two places, and I don't know what I did, but I opened my jaw in a certain way and it hurt, and I'm just I can't open it as wide. It doesn't hurt. It just hurt when I moved it. Yeah, I do that. I pop it.
Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm back now. Listen, listen, if any of you have any idea how to edit, especially on computer, please, my Discord, I will not be giving my Discord out publicly, but, if you check into my stream, and since I don't have very many people, how about you can message me on Twitter. It's just skipsplaza. Message me on Twitter, and we can work something out. I'm 14, by the way, so yeah. So if you're willing to help a 14-year-old start off, I don't have money I could give you, so if you just want to be a friend and help me out, and we could start this up to where I do start getting money, or get to a certain point where I should be, are able to get money somehow, then yeah, I will start paying because ooh, yeah. Do really popular YouTubers have to pay their editors? I mean, yeah, I mean their editors and them might be good friends and just helping them out, but I don't know. There's an orphan. Hello, Orphan Technoblade. I just killed Orphan fast. I mean, Orphan. Wait, no, I mean, hello. Okay, so I am open for editing applications, so yeah, just give me a thorough info on why I should add you uh as my editor and what you can do and what software or program you use to edit, and yeah. Um I do have Discord. I also have y'all just saw that horse. Y'all see that horse? Yeah. Y'all see those cows? Yeah. Shut cow, man. Corn. Oh my god. Listen, just to let you know, I'm a Technoblade, and Shellac Kenny. Like, Shellac's character, not him, of course not. I don't feel like he'd be comfortable with that, honestly. You know, I just want to give him some boundaries, man. It'd be fun if I could, like, work with them someday, because, ooh, that would be amazing. I'm 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 okay with any jokes that they make as long as it's not like really offensive towards my end. As long as it's not offensive towards me, I'm chill with it, or like offensive to like where, oh, you're getting canceled. Because the jokes that Schlatt's made aren't really um offensive. They're just a little bit, they're a lot for some people to handle. Like, people, they can get real sensitive over jokes that aren't even directed towards them, or like they think is offensive, and they're not even the person that the joke is like directed at. Like, let's say Schlatt made some stupid Hitler joke again, and listen, you're not Jewish, are you? So, like, I don't know, like sensitive people would be like, "Oh, that's really offensive. You shouldn't be making jokes about Hitler." And they're not Jewish or something. So how would they know that's offensive towards any like Jewish person in general? Because listen, I don't have emeralds, you idiot. I want to kill you. I'm spit. I want them to hit me. They don't do anything. They're just really annoying. Hold on. I picked up blades. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well, those are donkeys. Lovely. Skip, 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 skip. I might have left for like 15 minutes during that one time. I just went gone. Um, and I don't know how to edit any of my videos, so none of my videos are gonna edit out the parts that I say. So I'm sorry if I offended you. But really, none of the jokes I said were, like, offensive. I'm just, like, explaining how, canceling Schlatt was stupid. He shouldn't be canceled. He doesn't need to be canceled. There's no reason. The N-word thing he said. What the hell? This. What the frick is this? I don't have fucking torches. What the fuck? My world's being a shitbag again. Anyways, I need, like, 56 cobblestone. I swear I keep hearing mobs, but like my sound is completely off. So I really don't understand. So I will not be going in the ravine. I'm gonna see if I can get my friend to join me. When they're when she's done pooping. So yeah, when she's done using the bathroom. Yeah. So let me text her actually. Actually, hold on, hold on. Hold on a minute. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Stop saying this way. Hey, I'm classy. It's a get nasty. Just the way you like. Oh, I got distracted with Facebook. Sorry. Well, anyways, I'm calling my friend. I don't care. So, we're gonna get Kayla, sorry, I do not live alone. My friend better answer me within like 40 minutes. Da 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 da. Do do do. Do 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 do. Is my friend not answering the call? Calling her a prick. Prick. Uh, any. Uh, um, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna get back to Minecraft. Lovely. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna grab some wood. We don't have any wood in here. Okay, well, time to grab a bunch of birch signs. We're gonna grab craft. Oh, that's my. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna grab a crafting table because I don't want to make one. And we're also going to. We're gonna make a house maybe. I don't know. If I see a creeper, I'm gonna die. It's like you know me and creepers. My friends do. Do 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 do. I don't freaking know what that was. Anyways, where should we build this? We have a lot of space, which is lovely. Lots and lots of space. So we're gonna. Uh, story. Do, 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 do. Oh, never ending story. Sorry, Stranger Things. Um, I don't own this song. This song isn't mine. Don't copyright claim me because I never said this song was mine. I never claimed it to be. So don't even give me a copyright strike, YouTube. I will fight you. Oh yeah, song is Never Ending Story. So by Dustin and his girlfriend. Stranger Things. Lovely, are there any sea pickles? I just got texted. Hold on a minute. Wait, no, hold on. I see an orphan. Did y'all just see a name tag? Okay, anyways. Why are you spamming the chat? LOL. Why are you spamming the chat? Oh. Never ending story. Wow. I don't know. I sound like a freaking siren. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, I'm okay. Killed an orphan. I don't gain from it. I don't get anything from it, but it's hella fun. Okay. Searching for a land far away. I'm just getting wood just for the travels. Do 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 do. Not another ravine, okay. Listen, swamp must be huge. The swamp must be huge. Listen, I have high anxiety right now due to Minecraft turning nighttime, and I also hear noises. So, lovely. Isn't like two zombies final fucking fight, you fuckers? Listen, I have enchanted armor. I also believe I have thorns on it somewhere. But I do want to get thorns. I'm gonna try and use an anvil, and it looks like it's a full moon, maybe. Is that a full moon? Fuck. Oh, it's coming from the sky. That's what keeps hitting me. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay. Never. So, that concludes it. I suck at Minecraft.